Okay, I am happy about Euro USD trade that I just closed just now. I managed to catch it somewhere here. Somewhere here, my notification alarm went off somewhere around here, and I managed to close it around a good profit. By the way, if you hear me talking about setting notifications, after finishing watching this video, you can always look through this channel. I show you how you can easily set notifications on your phone so that even when you are away from your charts, your phone is just actually monitoring your levels, and it will tell you when price has reached your certain level. So look for that video when you finish watching this video. Anyway, let's get to today's video. So interestingly, I see a lot of comments on this channel. Interestingly, I see a lot of comments on this channel. People ask me if I can fund them for their trading, if I can give them some money to trade and stuff like that. Of course, I usually dismiss those comments as maybe people pranking me, or I don't know, but I usually get a lot of them. So I just decided maybe if it's genuine people who are really looking for funding, who really want to fund their trading, let me just share with them some of the tips that I also used in my own journey. Of course, on this channel, we've also done a lot of videos on how to fund, to get funded. There are companies out there. If you are a good trader and you can prove yourself that you are a good trader, disciplined with a good strategy, everything on point, they are willing to actually take you on board. They can give you funds and you can actually trade on their behalf, and you get to share profits with them. But before we get that, how do you actually fund your account? Maybe you are working a 9 to 5 job that is not paying as much, or you don't have a 9 to 5 job, but you really are passionate about trading. You feel you can actually do something with your life in the markets. Or what can you do when you don't have enough money to spare for your trading? The first thing is, well, the broker that I use, their link is in the description box below. They do take people like you. You just need to raise $5. You can start trading with $5. I know some people will say you cannot do anything with $5, but it's a start for you to actually get a feel of the markets. And if you are really good enough, you might actually flip that $5 into $20, and from there, your things can become something. I personally have flipped these $5 accounts, $10 accounts, and I've seen many more people who actually also do the same. So I'm not talking about something out of a movie. It's something that many people have done. So of course, you then really need to be a disciplined trader. If you've got somebody who is teaching you, if you've got a mentor somewhere, you then really need to follow on your trading plan and be disciplined about it. If you are trading that $5, $10, or $20 account, then you can actually grow it into something else. So first tip is the broker that I use. You just need to have $5. You don't need a lot. Just convert $5 into the currency of your country, and you can sign up with them and start trading with $5, $10, $20, and from there you can actually see if Forex is for you or it's not. Okay. Second tip, I would say, then, let's say you are actually working, and what you are not having is enough to actually put aside and get into trading. Then in that scenario, the tip that I would say is try to live below your means. Try to live below your means so that you can what? You start saving up on that trading investment deposit that you want to make. I know for many people it's a hard pill to swallow, living below your means, because sometimes we've got friends, we've got family that we're trying to impress and stuff like that, and it becomes hard to really cut back on the lifestyle that your girlfriend was used to, or that you were personally used to, your kids, your family, and you start cutting back on that so that you can save up for your trading deposit. But it's something that you need to do. It's a decision that you need to make. If you really have no other ways of raising funding capital, then start by living below your means. What do you mean? Cut down on unnecessary expenses. Why are you watching Netflix? Get rid of the Netflix subscription. Get rid of the soccer subscription. Get rid of the magazine subscription. Get rid of all those tiny unnecessary expenses that you usually incur on a monthly basis. You probably already know yourself. Of course, you cannot cut down on your rental if you are renting, because, well, your landlord will check you out. But there are things that you don't necessarily need. If you have a habit of buying new shoes every month, then it means for a few months, stop just buying new shoes. Stop eating out. Stop eating out. Go and buy food from your supermarket, from your veggie store, and make food at home. Stop eating out, because what? You have a goal. You want to what? Save enough to start funding your account. Crucial. And this is for people who are working and for people who are also not working. I would say find a side hustle. I know this one is difficult because some people say, "No, I don't know where to start. I don't have a skill. I don't have." But every person, I believe, is born with some kind of a talent. Some people know how to write music. Some people know how to write books. Some people know how to play music. Some people know how to bake. Some people know how to plait hair. Some people know how to do makeup. Some people are just good at taking photos. Some people find something that you can do without learning, something that comes natural to you, and see if you cannot turn that into a side hustle for some extra income. Then you save money from that side hustle. If you are good at taking photos, then you can ask the guys around you if you can take their photos for weddings, parties, and stuff like that. Take that money and save it up for that trading deposit. Then what you also want to do is to invest small amounts. I already said the broker that I use, you can start with a $5 account. You can start with $5 today. As you get some more money coming in, you what? You put in another $5 tomorrow, another $5 next week. As you do that, the trading account begins to grow. So you can start today with your $5, with your $10. Next week you get another $5. You put it in your account. The following week you get another $10. You put it in your account. That way you are actually what? Slowly building your trading account. And on the side, you are also focusing on perfecting your trading. You are focusing on trying as much to only take good trades, so that your account is also growing on the side through your trading, not just by deposits. So, lastly, also, I would say always fiercely defend your capital, because you don't have any other money coming in. This is a dire situation. You don't, you cannot afford to be reckless in the markets. Make sure that when you deposit that $10, that $20, always emphasize on protecting that money. Everything that you can do, let it be from the profits that you make. Otherwise, do everything to make sure that when you lose in the market, at least you protect that initial deposit. Okay, so I talked a lot. I hope I helped some of you guys who are always asking me how to fund their accounts, if I can fund their accounts, and stuff like that. There are some ways that you can do it. I've just shared in this video. If you learned one or two things, go ahead and like the video. If I entertained you and you did not really learn anything, please just go ahead and like the video. That's the least you can do for me. If you are looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, all for free. We don't charge anything on this channel. Everything we do on this channel is for free. There are links on this in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Then again, the broker that I use, I've left their link in the description box below. Otherwise, guys, I hope you enjoy your day and I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, any more questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I would like to answer your questions. Otherwise, until next time, bye.